So today I'm going to show you 3 different apartments and the same building, and they are quite clean and the price is quite affordable as well. So let's go. So this apartment location is quite good, and you guys can see here this apartment is pretty new and the owner is really kind as well. So and the decoration of the lobby is really nice, and anyway it's free parking and free Wi-Fi as well. So as you guys walk inside, this is the lobby area, and you have to go upstairs by foot. It's in 2 heights though, because the apartment is on the first floor only. And as you guys can see here, the stair is kind of unique. It's made by some wood. It's really unique. I really do like the type of the stairs like that. And it's amazing. How could some people they build the stairs like that? It's amazing. Like the style is really good. So anyway, as you guys can see here, this is the hallway. And I'm going to show you 3 different apartments. And those apartments are really clean and good. And the style is kind of a Western as well. Western style apartment. So as you walk into the apartment, this is the living room with an open plan kitchen. This is the kitchen area, and this apartment, it has lots of furniture you would need. It has a fridge, a washing machine, an electric stove, and the thing. Anyway, let's go to check out the bedroom. It's quite hot here. It's around 5 o'clock, it's still hot. Anyway, this is the bedroom. As you guys can see here, it's super clean, right? And the style and the decoration, it's kind of a Western style. It's really unique and clean. And so this is the double bed. Let me see how comfortable it is. Oh my god, the bed is super comfortable. I promise you guys, this bed is super comfortable. And it has a small table, and it has an aircon as well. I like the lights though. The light is kind of a cozy light. It's not white light, it's really nice. And it has a table, a small chair, and this room, it has like a window as well, so you can open. Yeah, so it's really nice. And it has another table, a chair, and a wardrobe. It's really nice actually. And this apartment also has a balcony, so I'm going to open the balcony now. As you guys can see here, it has a table and 2 chairs, and you can see the views from the street. You can see the views here. It's really nice, and plus a very good sunset here. So this is the first room, and you can just outside the balcony, you can have some like a cup of coffee in the morning or evening, and then with sunset, something like this if you would like to. It's really clean apartment, and the price of this apartment is quite affordable as well. So this apartment, this one that I'm gonna show you, this one here, it's $300 per month, and include all the furniture you would need to. If you ask something more, the owner probably gonna offer you more. Anyway, this apartment is $300 per month, and it also has a bathroom as well. Sorry, I didn't mention about the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It looks so unique. It's kind of a hotel, but it's quite good, and the price only $300 per month. It has a sink, a mirror, a Western style toilet, a shower with hot water. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. So now I'm going to show you the different one, and the price is a bit cheaper. And this is just next door, basically. This is the second room. Can I open? Yay! So as you can see here, this is the living room with an open plan kitchen. So I'm going to turn on the light to see more clear. So this is the living room with an open plan kitchen. It has a table, 2 chairs, a window, and this is the kitchen area. It has electric stove and a fridge and a sink and a few cupboards. And this is the bathroom area. This is the bathroom. As you guys can see here, it looks so unique. I like it so much. And it has a shower with hot water, a mirror, a sink, and a Western style toilet. And the owner is really kind. The owner is really kind as well. So this is the living room area, and now I'm going to show you the bedroom as well. All the lights in these apartments are really nice because it's kind of warm, right? And the style is quite nice. It's kind of a Western style. It's quite basic, but it's really nice. And this is the double bed. Let me check out the double bed. The double bed is quite cozy, really, really nice. Look at the duvet. It's really soft. This is the double bed. And it has a table and a chair. And you know what? The thing about I like this apartment, it has so many cables, so many things, so many plugs, right? So it's really good, even over there as well. So you just put your phone charging next to you. It's really nice and easy and convenient. And it has a wardrobe as well and an aircon here. And it also has a balcony. I don't know how to open the balcony. But anyway, I don't know how to open the balcony. It has a balcony as well. And this is the outside balcony. You can put a table here if you want to, and put a chair, and then you have a cup of coffee if you would like to. And now let's go upstairs to see the different one. So this apartment is $200 per month. And yes, but it's she doesn't include as many furniture you would need. So just only this thing, $200 per month. Include 2 chairs and a table and maybe a fridge. But the owner doesn't include the washing machine. So this apartment is $200 per month. And the first one, it was $300 per month. So now let's check out the third one. So the third one is on the second floor. So this apartment, it has so many rooms, and all the rooms are really clean and kind of unique as well. So now I'm going to show you this one as well. It's $300 per month, but the layout is so different and it's much, much bigger. So you can see here, this is the balcony. I don't know how to open the balcony. Oh, I think I can do it. I think I can't do it. I don't know how to open. Anyway, this is the balcony, and you can put a chair and put 2 chairs and a table if you want to. And this is the living room area. It's really huge, right? I'm going to turn on the light. Yeah, I'm going to turn on the light now. It looks much better and better quality as well. So as you guys can see here, this is a table and 3 chairs, and this is the kitchen area. This apartment is kind of big. It's quite big, and $300 per month. And this is the bathroom. And when you come here, they will clean for you, and they will put more furniture for you, but for the $300 one. And it has a sink a mirror, a shower with hot water, a Western style toilet. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. And this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. The bedroom is so big, right? It has some coat hanger, a chair. This area for hang the clothes. I have so many plugs here. And you guys can see here, this room is much bigger than the first or the second one. It has an aircon. It has a double bed. The owner bought the bed mostly like a good quality one. So the owner most buy a good comfortable bed. So you don't have to worry about it. It has a small table over there as well. And this is the view from the room. So it's really big. So this apartment is $300 per month. And the owner will buy more furniture for you. For example, if you want like a dishwasher, if you want like a washing machine or a fridge, she will buy it for you to add up. So this one, the big one, is $300 per month as well. And the electricity is about 25 cents per unit. And water is 60 cents per unit. And the location of this apartment is really good. It's only like around 3 or 4 minutes away to the biggest local market in Siem Reap and 5 minutes away to the pub street. So the location is really good. And if you guys are interested in this apartment, you can call directly to the owner and you will get the best price for this apartment. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.